Hey guys, if you're needing to replace your seatbelt on your Ford Explorer mid-90s version, mine is a 1997, and that has, because the metal clasp, the spring broke, like mine and a lot of them. It's real easy to do. I kind of started doing it and then I realized I should just make a video of it. But go to the junkyard, find one that'll fit your car. This one came out of, I think, a 1999 maybe. So it'll work for a few years. I even found the same color. But you have 4 bolts to remove on your seat. So you've got 2 in the back, right there, and the other side right here. And they're real easy. They're 10mm bolts. That's what they are, just 10mm. And you have 2 in the front as well, and they're real easy to see. And they have a little flange right there. There's a little flange on the front of the seat. Right there it is. And it just goes into the floor here. So they're real easy to find. To get the seatbelt off, you're going to need one of these, a Torx socket. This is a T50. So you're going to need one of these. Let me show it to you here. There you go. And that's what it looks like. It's a T50 Torx socket. And that gets that bolt out of the seatbelt. And it just fits in there like that. Then all you have to do is undo the electrical connection, which I'm in the process of digging out from under the carpet right now. So here's your electrical connection. I usually just use a little pick to get these apart. There we go. And then the wire comes apart. And then you still can't take the seat out until you get that bolt out. So once you get that bolt out with your T50 socket, then you can get the seat out. So that way you don't have to undo everything else. So there it is. That's what it looks like when it comes out. It has a keeper on the back of the bolt so you don't lose it. And that's the old one. Let's get rid of this piece of junk. I'm going to take the vacuum and clean this mess up first. Okay, simply take your new seatbelt receiver, put it back in the opposite way, and put the 4 bolts back in your seat. You're back in business. So it's a real quick job. Should take you less than half an hour to do the whole thing. All right, hope that helps. See you soon.